COLMI C81 2-inch AMOLED Smartwatch. This smartwatch has a stylish and durable design, using high-quality military-grade zinc alloy materials. This lightweight yet robust material enhances the overall aesthetics of the watch, making it the perfect combination of style and durability. COLMI C81 can reduce power consumption by 22% and increase performance by 25%. Additionally, the C81 incorporates the latest blood oxygen sensor technology, utilizing red light for more accurate measurements. Experience the world's first 2.0-inch 410 by 502 resolution AMOLED screen on a smartwatch, with a screen contrast of 10,000, and truly restore various colors. Also featuring an always-on display, AOD, you can quickly and easily check the time. Personalize your COLMI C81 by choosing a watch face from the app's Watch Face Market. And it supports more than 100 sports modes. Whether you're tracking your daily fitness routine or dressing to impress, this smartwatch has you covered. With up to 7 days of battery life on a single charge, the COLMI C81 ensures that you'll never be caught off guard. Stay connected, track your fitness, and enjoy your favorite features without the hassle of